Sandy one Sandy you read the paper hand out
No,
oh Sandy
do you have PDF files?
oh okay
I mean, do you have PDF file of this book?
no
No.
One I did, one I know.
both
Sandy grandson.
Sandy yeah I the officer said paper sana yes no
Osing touch.
Sandy you can copyright
Yeah,
paper
Osing copy.
oh okay yeah okay no it's not broken no
Yeah.
Sandy one no yeah Sandy
Sanyana be malesa.
yeah
Sanyana.
Sandy Samena 12 paper no so translate in the translation phone call combination of two letters is called Sandy for the smoothness of pronunciation for facilitate pronunciation for the smoothness of pronunciation it's called the Sandy usually union of two letters union of two letters but here another grammarian they want to know Sandy and Samasa Sandy and Samasa say no Sandy and Samasa say but they want to know their termination at the time. So Sandy is the combination of two letters. Samasa is also the combination of two letters. Yeah.
Now we have paper sign off.
Samasa. Oh, okay.
So do you list?
Oh, yes.
So please.
Yes. No.
Please.
No. Yeah. According to grammarian, they explain Sandy is combination of two words. Okay. Actually, the combine or the union or just word. So without their translation, where their translation here, Samasa is the combination of two letters, including their translation. Just what was the message in our country? Yasa plus Adriani. Yasa plus Adriani. According to here, according to grammatical way, Yasa means odd, who odd, who. Yeah, in the translation, they are faculties. Yeah, Yeah, actually the Pali combination of two letters are okay, but yeah, does not belong, does not connect with their meaning. Yeah, the combination of just one. It's called just in the real. And then in the samasa. Rajasa. Rajasa. Buddha. San. Rajasa Buddha. Rajasa Buddha. Raja Buddha. No? Rajasa Buddha. Raja Buddha. And then Rajasa Rinyo Buddha. Rajasa Rinyo Buddha. Raja Buddha. Buddha nominated singular here. Buddha means son, Rinyo or the king. King or the king's prince, because of prince. Yeah, the combination of what? The combination of what? Their meaning Raja Buddha, prince, or the son of king. Yeah, the son of king. Therefore, here, Sandi is the combination of two letters, but just one, without their translation. Without their translation. And then, yeah, no need the combination of their translation. Samasa is the combination of two letters, actually similar to what in their translation. It's called Sandi. According to Sanskrit view, there are two kinds of Sandi. They are Pada Sandi and then Wana Sandi. Wana Sandi is and also another way Akara Sandi. Wana and Akara say. Yeah, according to the grammatical, Wana be sound. No, Wana be sound, letter. So every grammar, every grammar based on their sound. No, their sound is called Myanmar Pali Tata. No, grammar. Yeah, Myanmar here in our country, Pali Karama is called Myanmar name Tata. No, Kisayana Tata, Kejayana Tata, Kejayana Tataji, Kejayana Kisi, Kajayana Pali Karama, Panarave Kejayana, the Pali Karama, Kisi Tataji, Masa, Yama language Kisi Tataji, Kisayana Tata. Now this Kajayana Tata was written by Panarave Kejayana Thera. Actually, the year is 7 period, 87 period before Panarave Bodhagosa. Before Panarave Bodhagosa, Kajayana Karama, 11th century. Then Sarama Varama and Palini. Saraba Varma, yeah. Panini, Tisha, and Saraba Varma, they compose the Sanskrit grammar. And then here, Saraba Varma, he composed Kadara grammar. Now here, these based on these Sanskrit grammar, the Panarave Kejayana revised. And then here, Pali grammar နော် Pali grammar ဒီ according to the Sandi view at least two Sandi Bara Sandi and then Wana Sandi Bara means what the combination of what no actually the combination of initial what and final what initial what and final what no is called Bara Sandi Wana Sandi Wana Sandi Wana Sandi Akara Sandi Wana Sandi and Akara Sandi use all but we are but Direct bit about the other side, do you know? Direct bit, do you know?
Yeah, I know. Guitar and
Guitar no? Yeah, but for Akia house. For Akyada, their combination of three letters. No? Their combination of three letters is called Akyada. No? Yeah, root, suffix, their termination. No? Root, suffix, their termination is called Akyada. But in the Kita form to express two combination, three combinations. Root, suffix, stand or face. Face. Their combination of root, suffix, and then their case. Their case is called the Kita form. Kita form, sorry, how many kinds of Kita form?
how many guitar form, kind of guitar form, two kind of guitar form, it is guitar and guitar.
Kita. You try to get it.
I don't know some. Not yet to learn the guitar. Yeah.
3, 4, 5. No, sorry. But Siali, yeah, I know you are familiar with guitar. Okay, because you are first, Loma, B, A, B, also. No, I
Maybe
isolate beginning.
yes, like the participle gerund. Yes. In infinitive.
Yeah. I am, infinitive.
Participle.
Past participle.
Present participle. Present. Future participle. Future passive.
Passive participle.
Present participle.
There are 5 kinds of guitar. It's a very important study. When you compose Pali message, Pali sentence, it's a very important.
Yes.
Including now, Charan. So Charan is equal to Sali Pali.
Good.
That's correct. Upasika. Charan is equal to Pali.
Children in the plan.
I don't know how to
Oh,
call
okay. Charan, added by which, which suffix?
Tua.
And was suffix.
Yeah.
Yeah, suffix.
Tuna.
Tuna suffix. Tuna suffix. Tuana sabe. Infinitive. To sabe. What's the body sabe?
Tana.
Sabe.
Tapa. Aliya.
Very well.
Aliya. Teya.
Teya sabe.
Richa.
Teya sabe. Tata sabe.
Teya.
Teya sabe. Teya.
No, I say T-E.
T-Y-A.
Not T-E.
T-I-T-Y-A sabe. T-Y-A. Yeah. Connect with it here. Yeah. And then. So yeah, this format is the former subject. No, here not informal. The present participle subject. Present participle subject.
How about Richa, Sana?
Eh?
Richa.
Richa. Karama Richa. No? Karama Richa. Richa. Present participle subject.
Na.
Can see that?
Mana.
Yeah.
Anna.
Why? Sona Bemola. Or in our own. Jale.
Mana, Anna, and.
Anta sapi.
And Anta Surfit, Mana Surfit, Anna Surfit.
Anta sapi.
Mana.
Sapi. Main surface.
Anna.
Main surface. What's it? Anta sapi. Mana sapi. So, yeah, in our country, Yangon University, at the Yangon University, their university, one day, English teacher, English Bali teacher, so his book, Bali, practical Bali grammar, practical Bali grammar. Practical Bali grammar. Practical Bali grammar is order. Yeah. According to practical Bali grammar, orders, the present participle surfaces are four surfaces. No? Four surfaces. They are here. And surface. And surface here are not surface. His opinion, four kinds of surfaces.
How about your opinion?
Awesome. Anda sapi, mana sapi. Because the person kitchen do kitchen no here, and then kitchen do no, and then kitchen yeah, taking the kitchen, he took and suffered. So in our country, whenever when they translate into Myanmar, at the time, kitchen, Seattle translate kitchen door, when so the main subjects and formal subjects are under subject, mana subject. Secondary subjects are unsubject, ana subject. Kitchen door, kitchen door. And then the subject is equal to Pali. Upa kala. English က Ichada Dida Keja Masiga Ini
Teacher. What amana?
Itu mana Pemain So I offer you offer you party message
Yes.
I offer you candidate I offer you candidate party message from there our teachers opinion our many teachers opinion our many teachers opinion I offer you Charlie and B is Tikamaji when you explain your this very easy very cool
When you will receive that,
your this very cool
that already you surprise about us.
complete Both yeah five kinds of guitar Bobabana guitar, Echada guitar, Adida guitar, Keja guitar, Pitobana guitar. So Keja guitar sometimes the grammar give a name or past participle, passive participle. Not passive participle. Our teachers opinion, Shusha passive participle. Shusha passive participle. Yeah, for example, Tabasape and Yasape. Kishan, Kishitaba, Kamitaba. Kamitaba, Kamania, Pajitaba, Pajania, Bojitaba, Bojitaba, Bojania, Bojitaba, Bojania. Here, Tasape, Nasape, okay, Hanadaza, Kado, Kitchen door, Kishamano, Ajena, here, Nasape. And then Tosabe, also Tosabe, Kichido, Kamido, Kando, Pado, Pabunido. Papulidonia, Twasabe, Tesawa, Kandawa, Ya is Sally, Kama, Ankama, Yasabe, Kama, and then Ma Aya because Jabama, Agama.
Yes, I know. So for the surface, yeah, we just add it if we have repeat, so we will use the agama, so cannot use gamma, right?
Agama Sally, actually, Twasabe.
Yes.
Twasabe. Instead of Twasabe, the grammarian and the give secondary subject. Ya is secondary subject, Toa is original subject. So when we see the SC dictionary, sometimes SC dictionary point out the just subject at that time. So we can consider okay, ya subject here, Toa subject. So our teacher said he usually the point out that you should know especially Yasabe Twasabe translation Heaven plus Padari Heaven plus Padari therefore Agama translation
Agama, so how to translate heavens, come, heaven come.
Heaven can is the original translation. And then there is Araba. Araba translation. same တော့တယ် same အာရဘအာဘိတ်တော်နော်အာရဘအာဘိတ်တော် so ဆရာလေး we are in the BH as a grammar BH as a grammar the teachers the give teacher give the yasake yasake at that time we can translate to meaning yasake araba translate
that means the rosy
Arabadi translate say
green
Arabadi Arabia sari the simple translation of sari about to become or to try the hour trying BEGI and began BEGIN began to start not to start to begin yeah Araba translation the Araba translation have been caused CAUSED not Araba CAUSED cost have been caused so Bharasandi and Onasandi okay yeah Bharasandi Onasandi and then Bharasandi and then Sarasandi three kinds of sandi. Yeah, Bra sandi is you should subdivide it into. Okay? Bra sandi is subdivided into three stages. They are Sara sandi, Visajani sandi, and then Kijana sandi.
Nigahika sandi. That means
Different Pali. Visajani sandi. Swara sandi. Sanskrit Swara sandi, no? Swara sandi is in Vyanjana sandi. Adiya Vyanjana sandi, and then Visarajani sandi. Adiya Vittisandi. Visajani, no? Visajani sandi. Yeah, Swara sandi. Yeah, what does it mean? Sara sandi. What does it mean? Swara sandi. Two combination of vowel. Initial vowel and then final vowel. Initial vowel and then final vowel. The combination of initial vowel and then final vowel is called Sara sandi. three kinds of at that time there are three kinds of sarasati. They are mula sara, guna sara, and then bodhi sara. Yeah, mula swara, guna swara, vritti swara, vritti bodhi bari. Vritti. Mula symbol. Mula symbol. Yeah, guna sara translate. SOFT. Taste.
T
Eh?
SOFT
SOFT.
T
SOFT. Sugar. Oh, sorry. Yeah, in this university, late professor said, you put 10 away. Not put 10 away. Pali professor, his opinion, their combination, their union or salt one and then sugar one is called guna. It's called guna sara.
So Myanmar sa nói sao?
So that,
So what does it mean here?
sa.
No, that means S-I.
D là.
Yes, S-I-L-T. S-I-L-T. S-A-A. S-A.
S-A, no?
Yes, L-T.
S-A-F-T.
L-T. L.
L-D. Oh, S-A-L-D. So,မြန်မာပြည်စာပါလေ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sugar.
Salt
S-G-E-R.
and sugar you mean
S-G-E-R.
Yeah.
Sugar. S-G-E-R.
E.
sugar
S-G-E-R. Say it again.
it's no
The
only one
Okay.
G
Okay. S-G-E-R. Sugar.
I not E.
Okay.
I not E.
S-G-E-R.
so what is the relation
S-G-E-R. S-G-E-R. Yeah, salt 1%. No? Yeah, the union of salt 1% and the sugar 1%. It's called guna. Yeah, God is yeah, salt 1%, sugar 2%. No? It's called bodhi. So you do this called joke, no? Very message, good message, beautiful message. So I don't know exactly what is the difference guna and bodhi. In Pali we say no. I don't know exactly. Please explain. At that time, he explain. You can search for online. He is a well-known scholar. Yeah, he analyzed the compose, especially based on certainty grammar. Computer study, Pali and Sanskrit. Certainty, three book. He introduced the computer study of Pali and Sanskrit based on history views. So you can search for the online, and then the library, so you can see. So the article is very good. And this article, among PDS, Party Associated. And then our teacher, ဗုဒ္ဓဝန်စာ
Yes.
ဗုဒ္ဓဝန်စာဗုဒ္ဓဝန်စာ trans ဗုဒ္ဓဝန်စာမြန်မာ letter says into the translate into in English so Vulasara, Kodisara, and then Vulasara. So Vulasara is a family of Israeli. Not change into all change into Mula Sara change into ya. So there you can see ya. Yaralawa.
So our tongue to call sana.
Yaralawa is called non-group.
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 So Myanmar for Saya the Sarai.
Oh, Saya is belonging. And Yaralawa.
Yes, non-group.
Belonging to connect with something. Belonging to this. Saya, they change into respected also. They change into respected power. Yeah, that you are in. Actually, they are the Yaralawa, the power, she's into respected consonants. Yeah, actually, these that are not real, not real consonant, not real consonant. So Yaralawa, non-group letter. Non-group letter. So that's something, and then it's not something. So here's some other thing. Number one. When we took two power, they change into Tika. They change into Tika. They change into long. When we took two power, they change into Tika Sara. Tika. Now, for example, here, up plus up. Up plus R. R plus R. It becomes long. Yes, this message is connected with the Pali Tika Sota.
Yes.
No? Tika Sota. For example, na asati. Na asati. So I translate. Nasati.
No. Say no. Say
Asti. Asti.
to be.
To be.
Say
There,
no.
therefore, there is nothing, there is no asati. So asati, asati, how can you say divide? Asati.
Root are as.
You are us, and then
Plus the teaser.
Isa. Sabi kasati. Sabi ikasati. Sabi ikasati. 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 Do you see ikasati? Do you know sabi ikasati? Separate.
Surprise. Surprise.
So, sabi yeah. So separate yeah.
They the
And then up.
roots in the
Root ikasat.
ikasa.
Ikasat. Our teacher said
Is
ikas. Root
root
ikas.
is mean the which design right side.
Sabi yeah. Ikas. Ikas.
That means ichati.
Ikasati. 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 KS again.
KS is GGH.
KKH.
Yeah, GGH. KKH.
KKH.
KKH
Before, sorry, before double consonant, no?
long become song.
Therefore, Ali, Ekade. Ikasha se ne rupi ne.
Search.
To?
Look.
Oh, okay, yeah, I understand.
So
Look at, to see what?
yes, how to say the surprise.
Sabi.
Sabi, that means
Sabiya, Sabiya, Sabi, Sa, so, refers to gen. Sa refers to female. No? Yeah, Sabi.
female.
Sabi, he, she, what?
Yes.
She also look at.
Yes. So now one thing I confuse here. That means sometimes the KS become the KKS.
KKH.
KKS change into the TCS.
Sometimes
So
CCH.
when it's change
So
the
they are based on their usage. Based on their usage.
usage.
Some for example, HD. HD, you look, was it right? HD. But HD doesn't know your body. HD. HD are right form. HD are wrong form. HD. HD no reason. Yeah. HD. No. Do look no. Sabi ikasati. Kain tu uditi. Kain tu uditi. Sabi uditi separate.
Root da.
And the final.
Yeah.
Final firstly final.
Finals. De. Ude. Ude root của prefix u.
Ud.
And
Ud.
da.
Ud.
Oh, A.
No.
Okay.
A comes from.
A come. To come.
Look or eat. Each is uditi.
Rice.
Do rice. No? Do rice. do ဆရာလေးကိန်းတူ
King King to
question sign
yes
နော်
question
ကိန်းတူ
what how to translate Sanda how to translate what which arrive
ဆရာလေးquestion sign
yes I know but how to translate the king to ude
ကိန်းတူဥဒေဒီကိန်းတူက question sign ကိန်းတူဥဒေဒီ do right so it's not connected with their meaning it's called sandi yes sandi they are not it's not connected with sandi
So king mean what?
what by what translation okay yeah kind do a question sign ude dia do rest but not connected with each other because of sandi today that's all thank you
Thank you so much